Welcome to this lesson on the copy function in Kotlin data classes. In this video, we'll explore how to create modified copies of data class instances while keeping the original unchanged. The copy function is a special function automatically generated by the Kotlin compiler for every data class. It allows us to create a new instance of a data class with the ability to modify specific properties, while keeping all other properties unchanged from the original instance. Let's start with a simple example. Here we have a data class named person with three properties: name of type string, age of type integer, and email of type string. All properties are declared with val, making them immutable. Now let's see the copy function in action. We create person1 with the name Alice, age 25, and email alice@example.com. Then we create person2 by calling the copy function on person1, passing only the age parameter with the value 26. This creates a completely new person instance. Let's understand what happened. Person1 still has the original values, Alice, 25, and alice@example.com. Person2 is a new instance with the same name and email as person1, but with the age updated to 26. The original instance remains completely unchanged. The copy function isn't limited to changing just one property. We can modify multiple properties at once. Here, person3 is created from person1 by changing both the age to 30 and the email to alice.new@example.com. The name property remains the same because we didn't specify a new value for it. Let's review the key characteristics of the copy function. First, it always creates a new instance, leaving the original object unchanged. Second, it works perfectly with immutable val properties, enabling a functional programming style. Third, all parameters in the copy function have default values taken from the original instance, so you only need to specify the properties you want to change. The copy function is perfect for working with immutable data. When you need variations of an object without changing the original, copy provides a clean and safe way to do this. This approach is fundamental to functional programming and helps prevent bugs caused by unexpected modifications to shared data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.